Welcome back to the channel. We have this question on arithmetic progression. It will help us understand the concept of first term, difference in arithmetic progression, and the nth term of an arithmetic progression. I'll be glad you pause the video, take a look at the question before coming to see my detailed solution. That said, let's get into class. Now, our question says if half, 1 over x, 1 over 3 are successful terms of an arithmetic progression. That is, in my arithmetic progression, I'll have half, we have 1 over x, then we have 1 over 3, and other terms continues. Now we should show that this expression is true. Now from this arithmetic progression, the first term a in this term is given as half. The second term t2, a also can be referred to as t1. T2 is given as 1 over x, and my t3 is given as 1 over 3. Now, we've been given the first term from the arithmetic progression, the second term, and the third term. If you look at it, it's driving towards something, and that's the difference. Now, D, which is the difference, is the same thing as T2 minus T1. And the same D also is the same thing as T3 minus T2. So we can form an expression for each of these. So that's T2 minus T1 now be the same thing as 1 over x, which is our t2, minus 1 over 2. And t3 minus t2 will be the same thing as 1 over 3 minus 1 over x. Invariably, we're saying that 1 over x minus 1 over 2 is the same thing as 1 over 3 minus 1 over x. Then I can pick an LCM for both sides. For the first side, my LCM here will be 2x, and for this side, my LCM here will be 3x. X in 2x, I'll be left with 2, minus 2 in x, I'll be left with x. 2 in 2x, I'll be left with x. And 3 in 3x, I'll be left with x, minus x in 3x, I'll be left with 3. Now I can cross multiply. If I cross multiply, I'll come up with 2 minus x into 3x is the same thing as x minus 3 into 2x. Now we can begin to simplify this expression so that if I divide both sides by minus 3x, I'll divide both sides by x minus 3, sorry, not minus 3x, and here is x minus 3. X minus 3 cancels x minus 3, then I'm left with 2 minus x into 3x over x minus 3 is equals to 2x. It's beginning to look like this. And I'll divide both sides again by 3x. So I'll have 2 minus x now over x minus 3 is equals to 2x over 3x. X cancels x. Finally, we're left with 2 minus x over x minus 3 equals 2 over 3. Now we have actually proved this expression. With this, I hope you further understand how to treat arithmetic progressions. Thank you for staying with us and see you in our next class.